manual, directions, and a postcard. We have this thing, encoder, and this is the control that goes on your handlebars. Let's see what's in here. And here is a bunch of cords. And then down there are the encoders that I have to hook up to the frame, and some more, a power cord. So I will be doing that next. First, we're going to install the encoder with the green to the bottom of the frame over there. Clear back there. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this little encoder and that screw right there with a 2.5, and I'm just going to loosen it, but I'm not going to take the screw off. Just like that. Allen wrench. Oh, the back right wheel holder. I have it on right there, but I don't think it's right, but it's on. Oh, now we're going to take our other encoder. We're going to loosen that screw. Then we're going to come over to this side of our carriage. You see this here? You're going to take this bolt off down here, but it's going to be on the other side. And then you're going to install this over there. I have my screen hooked up. Now I have to hook up the screen cable from here to this box here. And inside that, I found another book, which would have been handy to know. And it goes in great detail on how to set this up. Live and learn, I guess. So there's an extra book and a final checklist. Okay, I Velcroed the other box here, the control box, and I've plugged in the one cable. Now I have to plug in the encoders into there, and then I'll be back. I plugged the encoders in. I put the green in the green port and the purple in the purple port. All right, let me take you over here. On here, I plugged in this, picked my sewing machine, and then I unplugged it. You make sure you follow that step, because you have to set everything up first before you plug everything back in. Okay, there's a bunch of power cords that come with it. You need to find the one that fits your machine and then plug it into your machine and into the foot pedal back here. All right, that's all done. Everything is turned off. Nothing's plugged in at this point. Now, I have all these cords left. I'm going to save them, because if I ever change to a different sewing machine, I will have the cords that I need. And also keep all your Allen wrenches and, of course, your directions. You Velcro to strap up your straps. I'll do that off camera. See this little screw here? It's supposed to have a little rubber stopper on. This is the second one that has broke off on this machine. So I am going to get some super glue and glue that on. I'm going to plug them both in and then turn on the machine. It says I will hear a small buzzing, and then it should be all ready. I do have to get a new extension cord. And now I need to turn on my machine, which will be tricky because it's right there. There. Okay, it's all set up and ready to go. I just need to put the rails back on. I got a lower encoder back here and one over here on this. And then I can set my stitch length here. It was set on 10. I'm going to try 8 and see what happens. Now I'm just going to put the front rail back on. And it's just going to sit right on here. There we go. And the back rail, which I'm going to move back, put it in there. And then all I do is put in these metal washers and it holds it in place. Okay, now I'm ready to put on my frame. I have these rubber bumpers set up so it won't go past, whoops, where I don't want it any further than that. So I'm going to set it up on here too. Oh, this one isn't set on there. Oh, that's too far. Yeah, right there. Because they will move a little, so I set it back. So there's a finger in there. So now it's all set. I can put my frame on and go. I just have to tighten this little screw up over here. Thanks for watching.